Okay, so let's see here. This person again, all this stuff here. In this, many times when people are putting all this information at the top of their resume, it's really a sign. It's just sending people in so many different directions, like Afghan Constitution, and then legal research, U.S. Constitution. Like it just sends people in too many directions. And I would really like to see you guys try to get rid of all this stuff on the top of resumes. That's going to be very helpful. And then this person says contract attorney, provide legal consultation. Okay. And then you don't need to people need to stop putting these and so forth on here, but let's see, provide legal consultation, work with the U.S. Department of Health and Services. Okay. 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 That's fine. And then legal consulting services. So if you've been doing this to 10,000 to the present, I don't know that I would list the contract attorney up there because I think that it looks much more impressive just to say you've been working here. And then I don't know that you need to say, I don't know the best way of doing that, but if you've been employed with them on an ongoing basis from time to time, I don't know. But you're better off if you can massage this somehow in an ethical way to make it look like you've had employment stability there. That would be great. And it looks like you may be doing some stuff related to Afghanistan, and that may be what your career has been. And it is very interesting and very good grades, Phi Beta Kappa. This is a good resume. This is something to do. So this is a attorney that is very involved in Afghanistan. It looks and probably things with the war and constitutions and putting all sorts of things together related to that. And so this is a very specific type of resume. In my opinion, just without going too much into this and giving you too much of advice, but I don't know that this is an appropriate resume by any stretch of the imagination for working in a law firm. I think that your skill is going to be either working for the government with this sort of thing, and it looks like you did work in some law schools or teaching law school. I would think that if you clean this resume up and make it look a certain way, that this would be an excellent resume for a law school, especially with your academic performance and athletics and publications. This is just a perfect law school resume. I don't really have anything more to say about this resume other than I like it for what it is, but you haven't spent a lot of time in law firms and the things you've been doing. It's an academic type resume more so, I think, and also involves, for all I know, this person may be actually in the CIA or something. It reads like it, to be honest with you, but this is how these kind of resumes look many times. So I think that you should continue with whatever you're doing, maybe, and or maybe another branch of the government, if you're with the government, or something along those lines, I think would probably be the right thing. But right now it does a CIA resume, which I'm not trying to be rude, but I know people that have done that and it's how it reads. But it's a good resume. Yeah. Okay, let's move on with that one.